Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have completed exercise 3.1. In that, for regression coefficient b we have seen two types of formula, that is when x bar and y bar both are non-integers, so x minus x bar's method. When x bar or y bar or both of them are non-integer, means with decimals, xy formula, that was only for one sum. Now we are going for the next topic, for the next formula, that is shortcut method. So for big sums this is the last formula. So three formulas are for big sum, remaining four are for small sums. Yeah, let's write. Shortcut method for regression coefficient. And actually why this shortcut method is required, the reason is simple. When the values are more than 50, taking the squares and taking the values is very difficult. So let's write that thing. When the values of x and y are large, that is more than 50, then shortcut method is used. See, you can see the rules in previous chapter also, same rules will apply, only little bit change in the formula. Now as you know, we have to use with scale transformation and without scale transformation also. So formula without scale transformation and with scale transformation. Now first of all, let's write without scale transformation. B is equals to n into sigma uv. Instead of xy we will write u and v minus sigma u into sigma v divided by n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square. Again here also the term of y is removed in the same way. Here term of v is removed and square root is not required. Where u is equals to x minus a, v is equals to y minus b, a and b are constants. Now friends, in second chapter, whether it is without scale transformation or it is with scale transformation, the formula was same on both sides. So I have said that why we are writing same formula on both sides. Now here you will understand. Here in third chapter, whenever you are using scale transformation, you have to slightly change the formula. How? Let's see. B is equals to n into sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v upon n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square multiply cy by cx, where u is equals to x minus a upon cx, v is equals to y minus b upon cy, a and b are constants, cx and cy are also constants, but they are to be multiplied in formula. Now if you compare this thing with previous chapter, on both sides same formula was written. Here in third chapter same formula is not there because this is the additional part. Whenever you are taking scale transformation, at that time you have to use Cy by Cx. The reason is simple. See, in previous chapter we were having both terms, that is for u and v or for x and y. Here we are having single term. So the effect of next variable is not seen in the formulas. For that we are doing this thing. So friends, you must remember this thing. If you are forgetting that thing, then your answer will not come. So whenever you are taking scale transformation in third chapter, that is for regression, you have to use this Cy by Cx, but by mistake some students are using in second chapter also. That is not proper with scale transformation. So formulas are almost same, but you have to remember when to use and when not to use. Okay, so these are the formulas. Now let's start the sums for 3.2. So friends, coming to exercise 3.2 on page number 136, again let's find x bar and y bar for each of the sum as it is required here. Okay. For first sum on page number 136, 28, 35, 25, 24, 20, 25 and 20. Okay. So divide by 7 because there are 7 values. So write x bar is equals to 25.29. Then next 128, 140, 115, 120, 105, 122, 100, 830. Divide by 7. Right there y bar 118.57. Now see, both are non-integer. 25.29 and 118.57 both are non-integer. Also the values are more than 50, so we will use UV method. Okay. Next, second question. 167, 169, 171, 168, 173, 166, 167, 165 divided by 8. So write there x bar 168.25, x bar 168.25. Now for y bar 158, 117, 169, 172, 170, 168, 164 and 167 divided by 8. So write there y bar 167.25. So x bar 168.25, y bar 167.25. So both are again non-integer, values are more than 50, so we will use UV method. But for first and second sum there is nothing common, so we cannot use that. Scale transformation is not required. Now for the third sum. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 divided by don't 6 divided by 7. So write x bar 3. So x bar is integer, x bar is 3. Now 20.9, 20.1, 19.4, 17.9, 17.9, 17.3, 16.6 divided by 7. So write there y bar 18.59. So for third question, x bar is 3, y bar is 18.59. Now the values are small. xy can be used, but xy is not to be used because we are having decimal places. So we have to use UV with scale. Okay, fourth question. 55, 60, 75, 80, 100, 120, 140 divided by 7. So write there x bar 90, x bar is integer 90, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, 20,000 again, 25,000, 30,000, 50,000 divided by 7. Y bar is right there 26,000. Now I have to explain in this question that x bar and y bar both are integers. If you are using x minus x bar, then it is not a problem, but there is a single problem because see the values of y, they are very big. You cannot take x minus x bar square and you cannot take x minus x bar multiply y minus y bar because the values are very large. So for that we will use UV with scale. We can use x minus x bar, y minus y bar because both are integer. But see the values of y, they are very very large. You cannot take the square. So you have to compulsorily take UV with scale. So for third and fourth, UV with scale. For first and second, normal UV. Now for last fifth question. Other all are different types of question. Okay, let's again find here x bar, y bar. 50, 70, 100, 70, 150, 120 divided by 6. So write there x bar 93.33. X bar 93.33. Then for y 2.0, 2.0, 2.5. Then 1.4, then 4, then 2.5. Divide by 6, write y bar. So write there y bar 2.4, y bar 2.4. So friends, again there are also decimal places, so we will use UV with scale. So for all the sums we have decided, none of the sums are having XY method, all the sums are having UV, and first two are UV without scale and second two are UV with scale. Second three sums are UV with scale. So we are solving the sums now. Now we are going for first question. On exercise 3.2, page number 136, going for the first sum. The following information is obtained from a study to know the effect of use of fertilizers on the yield of corn. Consumption of fertilizer in 10 kg. Now here also one more change is there. The unit is in kg, then it is not a problem. But unit is in per 10 kg. So whenever we are estimating the value at that time, you have to remember the thing. Then yield of cotton in winter. Obtain regression line y on x and estimate the yield of corn if per hectare if 300 kg fertilizer is used. Okay. So we are going for exercise 3.2. We are having sum number 1. Consumption of fertilizer per 10 kg. It is x. Then yield of corn, sorry, not corn, cotton. Per hectare in quintals it is y. Now as we want to use UV method only, so u is equals to x minus a, v is equals to y minus b. We will decide what a and b will be there, then uv and then only u square. We don't require v square. 28, 35, 25, 24, 20, 25, 20. 128, 140, 115, 120, 105, 122, 100. So let me draw the columns. We need sigma x, sigma y, sigma u, sigma v, sigma uv, sigma u square. First let's find x bar and y bar. X bar is sigma x by n, y bar is sigma y by n. 28, 35, 25, 24, 20, 25, 20. 177. 177 by 7, it's, sorry, not 7, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay. 25.29, and we will write a slash and per 10 kg. We cannot write 10 kg directly, per 10 kg. What this slash shows, per 10 kg. 128, 140, 115, 120, 105, 122, 100. 830. 830 divided by 7. 118.57 quintal. Now we will decide the value of A and value of B. Okay, X bar is 25.29. So the value near to 25.29 is 25, and if any other value is repeating, 25 itself is repeating, 20 is also repeating. So the biggest value we will take. So here X we will take as 25. For Y, 118's near value is 120 and nothing is repeating, so we will take 120. Okay? Yes, let's take the differences. 28 minus 25, 3. 35 minus 25, 10. 25 minus 25, 0. 24 minus 25, minus 1. 20 minus 25, minus 5. 25 minus 25, 0. 20 minus 25, minus 5. Okay. 3, 10, minus 1, minus 5, minus 5. It's 2. Okay. Now B is equals to Y minus 120. 128 minus 120 is 8. 140 minus 120 is 20. 115 minus 120 is minus 5. 120 minus 120 is 0. 105 minus 120 is minus 15. 122 minus 120 is 2. 100 minus 120 is minus 20. So 8 plus 20 minus 5 minus 15 plus 2 minus 20. It's minus 10. 8, 20 minus 5 minus 15 plus 2 minus 20. It's minus 10. UV. 8 3s are 24. 20 10s are 200. 5 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 15 5s are minus minus plus 75. 2 zeros are 0. 25s are 100 minus minus plus. 24, 200, 75, 100. It's 399. U square. 3 square is 9, 10 square is 100, 0 square 0, 1 square 1, 5 square 25. 0, 0, 5 square 25. 900, 1, 25, 25. So it's 160. Okay, let's now find regression line. Y on X in that first step. Sorry, better to write down. Regression line Y on X, first step, regression coefficient, that is B. B is equals to n into sigma uv minus sigma u multiply sigma v upon n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square. Okay, n is 7, sigma uv is 399, sigma u is 2, sigma v is minus 10 divided by n is 7, sigma u square is 160, sigma u whole square is 2 whole square. So 399 into 7, it's 2793. Minus minus plus 10 2s are 20. Divided by 160 into 7, 1120 minus 2 square is 4. So 2793 plus 20, 2813 divided by 1116. It's 2.520, so 2.52. So B is 2.5. Second step is intercept intercept A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Y bar is 118.57 minus b is 2.52 multiply x bar is 25.29. So 118.57 minus 2.52 multiply 25.29, 63.730, so 73 only. So 118.57 minus 63.73, it's 58.4.84. Next, third step. Fitted regression line. Y cap is equals to a plus bx. A is 54.84 plus b is 2.52 and x. So our equation is ready. 54.84 plus 2.52 x. Only put the value of a and b. Now last step, estimation is most important here. Estimation. Okay. For estimation we will read again that obtain regression line y on x, that is equation, and estimate yield of cotton per hectare if 300 kg fertilizer is used. Fertilizer consumption is x, but it is 10 per kg. So the values which are there have to be divided by 10 because here unit is 10 kg. So here we are using 300 kg fertilizer, but actually x will be taken as 30 because here the unit is per 10 kg. So check always the unit of x. If it is per 100 kg, per 300 kg, per 10 kg, then you have to divide first value and then take the x. So directly don't take. Consumption of fertilizer is 300 kg, comma, unit of fertilizer is per 10 kg. Therefore, x is equals to 300 by 10, 30 kg. Then yield of cotton per hectare, y is equals to question. So daily what we are writing, directly we are writing that this is the x and what is y. But here we need to calculate and we need to show that consumption of fertilizer is per 10 kg. So unit of fertilizer is per 10 kg, x is equals to 300 divided by 10. If it is 100 per kg, then divide by 100 also should be done. Y cap is equals to a plus bx. Y cap is equals to 54.84 plus 2.52x. 54.84 plus 2.52 multiply 30. 54.84 plus 2.52 into 30, 75.6 plus 54.84. It's 130.44 and the unit of y is quintals. Don't worry with the unit of y, it's quintal or per 10 quintals or everything. We have to look only the unit of x because we have to take always the x. So this was about the shortcut method without scale transformation. The sum is in this way. Now we are going for the second sum, which will be of same type. To know the relationship between heights of fathers and sons, Obtain regression line of height of son on the height of father from the following information of 8 pairs of fathers of adult and son. Estimate the height of son whose father's height is 170 cm. Same type of sum. Height of father in centimeter, it is x. Height of son in centimeter, it's y. As we are not taking scale, so directly I am writing u is equals to x minus a, v is equals to y minus b, uv, u. 167, 169, 171, 168, 173, 166, 167, 165, 158, 170, 169, 172, 170, 168, 164, 167. First, let's find x bar y bar. For that, sigma x, sigma y, sigma u, sigma v, sigma uv, sigma u square. X bar is sigma x by n, y bar is sigma y by n. 167, 169, 171, 168, 173, 166, 167, 165. 1346 upon 8. The book only is given. 168.25 centimeters. 158, 170, 169, 172, 170, 168, 164, 167. 1338. 1338 by 8. 167.25 centimeters. X bar is 168, so the value near to 168 is 168 itself, and check whether any value is repeating. 167 is repeated, so we will take 167. Y bar is 167, so exactly we have 167, and check whether any value is repeating. When repeating value is 170. Okay? Yes. So 167 minus 167 is 0. 169 minus 167 is 2. 171 minus 167 is 4. 168 minus 167 is 1. 173 minus 167 is 6. 166 minus 167 is minus 1. 167 minus 167 is 0. 165 minus 167 is minus 2. 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 6 minus 2 and minus 1. It's 10. 2, 4, 1, 6, 3. Yes, now 170. 158 minus 170 is minus 12. 170 minus 170 is 0. 169 minus 170 is minus 1. 172 minus 170 is 2. 170 minus 170 is 0. 168 minus 170 is minus 2. 164 minus 170 is minus 6. 167 minus 170 is minus 3. minus 12, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, minus 6, minus 3. It's minus 22. So minus 12, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, minus 6, minus 3. Okay. Now 12 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 4 ones are minus 4, 2 ones are 2, 6 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2 plus, 6 zeros are 0, 3 twos are 6, minus minus plus. Okay. Minus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 6, so it's 6 on. Then u square. 0 square 0, 2 square 4, 4 square 16, 1 square 1, 6 square 36, 1 square 1, 0 square 0, 2 square 4, 4, 16, 1, 36, 1, 4, 62. Okay, let's start. Regression line y of x. Number 1. Regression coefficient b is equals to n into sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v divided by n into sigma u square minus sigma u whole square. Now what's n? N is 8. uv is 6. Sigma u 10. Sigma v minus 22 divided by n is 8. Sigma u square is 62. Sigma u whole square is 10 whole square. 6 8s are 48 minus minus plus 22 into 10 to 20. Okay, divided by 62 into 8, 496 minus 100. So 268 divided by 396. 268 divided by 396. 0.68. Second step. Intercept. A is equals to y bar minus bx bar. Y bar is 167.25 minus b is 0.68, x bar is 168.25. 167.25 minus 0.68 multiply 16. 0.68 multiply 168.25. It's 114.41. 167.25 minus 114.41. It's 52.84. Third step. Fitted regression line. Y cap is equals to a plus bx. A is 52.84 plus b is 0.68 and x. So the equation is y cap is equals to 52.84 plus 0.68 x. Last step. Estimation. Now let's see. Estimate the height of sun. Height of sun is y. When the height of father is 170 cm. So very simple thing. We don't have to take the unit. Unit is just centimeter only. It is not 10 centimeter that is to be divided by 10. Directly take. Height of father, that is x is equals to 170 centimeter. Then height of sun y is equals to question mark. So y cap is equals to a plus bx. Y cap is equals to 52.84 plus 0.68x. So 52.84 plus 0.68 multiply 170. 52.84 plus 0.68 multiply 170. It's 115.6 plus 52.84. 168.44 centimeters. So friends, our second sum is also over. So now third, fourth and fifth sum are taken with scale transformation. So let's do it tomorrow. So today we have completed scale transform without scale transformation, shortcut method without scale transformation. Other things are same, only the formula for b has changed. Now again the formula for b will change because here cy by cx also will come. So that we will see tomorrow. Till then, that's all for today. Thank you so much.